Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how can we develop and deploy our PHP-MySQL project free on 000webhost.com. The source code of this project is in one zip file, and that zip file link is given in the description, and password of that zip file is in the video. So watch the full video. So let's get started. So here is my basic banking project using PHP and MySQL. I used VS Code editor for this, and here is the default database of PHP, which is phpmyadmin. We also need a XAMPP server for run our project on localhost. So this is HTML code for our project, and the CSS included in it, and all these are the PHP files of our project. And this is the PHP file to view all customers from the user table. So this is the index page of our bank showing services and about, and this is the footer containing various social media links like LinkedIn, Facebook, Google+, etc. So let's check view customers button to view all the customers. So here is the all customers from the database and the detailed information about them, and we can send money from one customer to other by clicking on view or send money button. So let's click on the button. So here the detailed information about Mahima Sharma customer, and we can send money from the account of Mahima Sharma to others. So we have to select the receiver's name. So I am select Ojas Shah, and entering the amount to transfer, which is 98,000. So here 98,000 is greater than our existing balance. So click on send money. It shows bad luck, insufficient balance. So let's try again. Ojas Shah, and the amount is 800. So click on send money. It shows transaction successful. So here we can see Mahima Sharma's balance is deducted, and it added to the Ojas Shah's balance, which is 18,400. So we can again click on any view and send money button, and according to that transaction will be proceed. So here we click on Suresh Chopra's send money button. So it shows detail about Suresh Chopra, and his sender name is Suresh Chopra. We have to again select receiver's name, suppose Kaveri, and the amount is 900. So it shows transaction successful, and the amount is deducted from Suresh Chopra's balance and added to the Kaveri balance. So let's check the history. So here is the transaction history. So first we have transferred money from Mahima Sharma to Ojas Shah, which is the amount is 800 and the date, and the next transaction is of Suresh Chopra. So we can delete these transactions anytime when we want. So let's delete these transactions, so it will be deleted. So let's check in the database. In the transaction table, here is the two transactions, Mahima and Suresh Chopra, and in the user table, all information about users and their balance according to our transaction. So now it's time to deploy our PHP project on 000webhost.com. So search on your browser 000webhost.com. So first you have to sign in from your Gmail. You can sign in with your Google account. So you can redirect to this page, and you have to click manage website. So I already created my first host website domain name. So you have to create your domain first, and then you will be redirected to this page. So here you have to click on tools and click on file manager. So you have to upload your coding files here. Inside that you have to upload your all CSS, JavaScript and PHP, HTML files of your project, and you have to click on upload files here and select your files, whatever you want, and just click on upload. So this is all about file manager. Then you have to create your database also, our project. So here I already created database named as BankDB. So you have to click on new database, entering your database name, username and a password which is auto-generated, and you have to click on name phpMyadmin. Then it will be redirected to your page like this. I created transaction and user table. So inside that your data will be saved according to transaction, and here is the user table which shows all information about transactions. And after doing all this process, you have to click on website settings and go to general. So here is the host name, port, username of our project. So inside file manager you have to edit your connection.php file, which inside that MySQL connect query is as same as localhost, and you have to enter your database name, username and password. I already entered, so click on save and close. So that username and password given to you on the database manager page, like user and host and password. So let's again go to the website settings and general. So here is your website, which is my first website, 000webhost.com. Just click on that, and your website is deployed properly, and you can check again. So yes, our website is deployed properly. So thank you all of you.